Freelance writing is one of the most popular side hustles due to its flexibility and demand. If you have a knack for writing, you can leverage your skills to create content for blogs, websites, and online publications. The internet is vast, and the demand for quality content is ever increasing. From writing articles and blog posts to product descriptions and social media content, the opportunities are endless. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect writers with clients looking for writing services. Setting up a profile showcasing your skills, past work, and client testimonials can help attract potential clients. Additionally, you can pitch to websites and magazines that pay for articles. Rates for freelance writing can vary widely depending on your experience, the complexity of the task, and the client's budget. However, with consistent work and a growing portfolio, freelance writing can become a significant source of additional income. Plus, it offers the flexibility to work from anywhere, making it an ideal side hustle for those with a busy schedule. Online tutoring is another excellent side hustle, especially for those with expertise in a particular subject. With the shift towards online education, the demand for online tutors has surged. Whether you are proficient in math, science, languages, or even skills like coding or music, there are platforms where you can offer your tutoring services. Websites like VipeKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wizen allow you to create a profile and connect with students looking for help. You can set your rates, schedule sessions that fit your availability, and even conduct lessons from the comfort of your home. Online tutoring not only provides a steady income but also the satisfaction of helping others achieve their educational goals. Furthermore, it allows you to reinforce your knowledge and develop teaching skills, which can be beneficial in your primary career as well. By establishing a good reputation and receiving positive feedback, you can attract more students and increase your earnings over time. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This model eliminates the need for significant upfront investment in inventory and allows you to focus on marketing and customer service. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up an online store, and services like Oberlo can help you find products to sell. The key to successful dropshipping is finding a niche market, selecting reliable suppliers, and creating a strong online presence through effective marketing strategies. While the profit margins can be slim compared to traditional retail, the low startup costs and potential for scalability make dropshipping an attractive side hustle. With dedication and strategic planning, dropshipping can become a lucrative venture that complements your primary income. As businesses recognize the importance of social media for brand visibility and customer engagement, the demand for social media managers has grown. If you have a talent for creating engaging content, understanding social media trends, and analyzing performance metrics, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals looking to improve their social media presence. Social media managers are responsible for creating and scheduling posts, interacting with followers, and developing strategies to grow and engage an audience. You can find clients through freelance platforms, social media groups, or by directly approaching local businesses. Building a portfolio showcasing your work, such as increasing follower count or improving engagement rates, can help attract potential clients. Social media management can be done remotely and typically offers flexible hours, making it a suitable side hustle for those with other commitments. Additionally, as you gain experience and results, you can charge higher rates and potentially turn this side hustle into a full-time career. Freelance graphic design is an excellent side hustle for creative individuals with a knack for visual communication. In today's digital age, businesses of all sizes need eye-catching visuals for their branding, marketing, and online presence. As a freelance graphic designer, you can offer services such as logo design, social media graphics, web design, and print materials. Platforms like Behance, Dribbble, and 99 Designs provide opportunities to showcase your portfolio and connect with potential clients. Freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr also offer a platform to find clients looking for design services. The flexibility of freelance graphic design allows you to work on projects that fit your schedule and interests. Building a strong portfolio and gathering positive client reviews can help you attract more clients and increase your rates over time. With dedication and creativity, Freelance graphic design can become a lucrative side hustle that complements your main job or even evolves into a full-time career. Virtual assistance is a versatile and in-demand side hustle, ideal for those with strong organizational and administrative skills. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses, entrepreneurs, and professionals remotely. Tasks can include email management, scheduling, data entry, social media management, customer service, and more. The rise of remote work and online businesses has increased the demand for virtual assistants. Platforms like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Upwork, and Zirtual connect virtual assistants with clients looking for help. You can set your rates and choose clients based on your skills and availability. Virtual Assistants offers the flexibility to work from anywhere and manage your workload according to your schedule. By delivering high-quality work and building a reputation for reliability and efficiency, you can attract more clients and increase your income. As you gain experience and expand your skill set, virtual assistants can become a steady and rewarding side hustle. Turning a hobby into a side hustle can be incredibly rewarding, both creatively and financially. If you enjoy making handmade crafts or products, you can sell them online through platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even social media. Popular handmade items include jewelry, candles, clothing, home decor, and personalized gifts. The key to success in this side hustle is creating unique, high-quality products and effectively marketing them to your target audience. Good product photography, compelling descriptions, and active social media promotion can help attract customers. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs or markets can provide exposure and sales opportunities. Handmade crafts and products often have a personal touch that appeals to customers looking for unique and customized items. While it takes time to build a customer base and establish a brand, the passion and creativity involved in making and selling handmade items can make this side hustle enjoyable and profitable. If you have a passion for fitness and wellness, becoming a fitness coach or personal trainer can be a fulfilling side hustle. With the growing emphasis on health and fitness, many people seek guidance to achieve their fitness goals. You can offer personalized training sessions, group classes, or online coaching. Certifications from organizations like NASM, ACE, or ESA can enhance your credibility and attract clients. You can find clients through local gyms, fitness centers, or by creating an online presence through social media and a personal website. Offering specialized training programs, such as weight loss, strength training, or sport-specific training, can help you stand out. Fitness coaching not only provides a source of income but also allows you to make a positive impact on people's lives by helping them achieve their health and fitness goals. With dedication and effective marketing,